Hey, welcome back. It is Stephanie's turn. She gets an entire sailboat adventure. This sailboat looks most excellent. I am very excited to be building this. So we've got Stephanie. She's got a couple of extra mini dolls with her. Oh, look, the model does not float. Well, that's not going to make for a very good sailing adventure, is it? Okay, no, stop. Okay, all right. So, yeah, this is Stephanie's sailing adventure. I want to imagine that she's going to end up in Australia because that'd be nice. She can come and visit me. There are 304 pieces. It's $60 here in Australia, which is a really nice price for this. And I managed to get those tabs open without ripping the box. So yay me. 3 bags, sails here ready to go, sheet of stickers. I thought that said nope. So the name of the boat is the Nope. I don't think that's so. I'm gonna forever think of it as the Nope boat. Oh, this is not starting well, is it? But oh, we got some really great mini dolls to look at. So, Sailing Adventure, they're a team, so they're going to be wearing uniforms. So we've got some lavender pants with nice big safe boots, nice looking boots actually, and the top is like the printing looks a little bit fuzzy, but I love the colours. So we got gunmetal grey to break up the lavender, and there's vibrant coral and little just badges or something on there, and a name tag. This one's Stephanie. She has got a vibrant coral hat with her, I love it, with hair, with her blonde ponytail. I'm loving the hats with hairs so much. And she gets, before we look at the other mini dolls, let's just build her accessories. So I expected her to be given the iPad FaceTiming one of the other girls, because that's what all the other ones had, but no, she has got this. There's 2 seagulls. We're recording, and it's a sailboat. So she's recording footage from up high with a couple of seagulls getting in the way of the camera. Oh, this is a drone. So this is the drone footage. She's controlling the drone and recording the drone footage. Oh, that's such a simplistic little drone. That's cute. Okay, so we send it up and basically just get swamped by seagulls. Oh, does that mean there's a seagull included in this set? I would be so excited. All right, so the 2 other mini dolls in here, she is joined by, obviously this is the leader, and she's got a different, like same pants, but a different top. She's got, yeah, different markings on it. It's really cool that they don't just have a same generic. Yeah, really good that it's not just the same top 3 times. So this is Captain Maxine. Was that what it said in the box at the beginning? I think so. And she's got lovely reddy browny hair and the coral cap too. So the coral cap is part of the uniform. I love her face print and her eyebrows just going up like that. She just looks slightly worried. She's a bit worried about where this is all going because Stephanie's off mucking about with the drone. Nobody's looking after the sailboat. And the third member of this team is Elijah. And we've seen Elijah before, but he is part of this team. And his top is different too. Same colours. So it's unzipped. We're seeing the white shirt underneath. Really, really nice. He's got the coral cap, but no hair. He's no hair Elijah. That's right. Maybe he's all shaved up to where the cap line is. So 3 mini dolls looking absolutely fantastic. Right, so now let's get on with the actual building. And Stephanie's the only one who comes in this bag, in bag number 1. The other 2 come in bag number 3. So we're not supposed to see them till later. But I always like to look at them at the beginning and pop them all together because they look so cute together. It's always nice to see all of the characters you get. So this is obviously not a sailboat. This is a little beach, I don't know, beach port or I don't know. It looks like is it the finishing line? I mean, I don't know how these sort of sailing races work. So I assume that's the time that it's taken for them to traverse the distance that they've already gone, or that might be the final point. I don't know. I only have a very rudimentary understanding of boats and I know almost nothing about yacht racing. So please forgive me. I don't know. I'm not even going to pretend to know. I mean, it should be up to Stephanie to educate us on what's going on here, right? Come on, Stephanie, lift your game. So we've got the front part of the boat's happening. It's got a lime green hull, which is lovely. Here's our Nope sign. Sorry, it is Hope. It's obviously Hope, but forevermore it is the Nope boat for me. And this actually clips in here. And on the other side, we don't have the name of the boat again. We just got matching matching stripes and color scheme, and it clips in, creating a really good shape. At the moment, this is very, very fun. Now, obviously there's going to be stuff below deck. So this is a first little bit of furniture as such, or a bit of equipment. And flowers. Thank you, Lego friends. You gotta sneak some flowers in here somewhere, don't you? And this looks like their map or their path. That is not straight enough. I can't stand that. There we go. Now we've fixed it up. So it looks like this is, yeah, they're hopping from part of the coast to another part of the coast. I'm gonna go with they're gonna end up here in Australia in Sydney. That's my plan. Because isn't that how? I don't know. Actually, I don't. I'm not gonna say because I'll probably be very wrong. So this is like is it a depth finder? Like a sonar thing to be just making sure that they're traveling safely over the water. Like very realistic stickers for the actual equipment they'd be using. Apart from this, I mean, this is not realistic. This is really cute. So this is for the galley, and we've got some, some kitchen equipment and some safety equipment. Looks like there's a camera there on a belt, maybe, and a kettle. That's facing the other way. So in the front is the control area, and back here are the living quarters, or just, I mean, there's not going to be enough. Do they actually sleep on the boat? I don't know. Got a little tiny little sticker with a blanket and a pillow, and this is like a sitting area which can also double as a bed, I think, because there's a pillow there. And I forgot about these. Safety. I also forgot about this, and we shouldn't have 3 of those black Technique pins either, so I've missed them out from the build somewhere. Let's put the safety vest on Stephanie. We've had a good look at her outfit now, so we can put safety on. Safety on. And these are supposed to go here. So the Technique pins are going here to add more to the boat, and oh, that just goes there. All right, so that's all right. It wasn't too far back in the build that I missed those pieces. Okay, we are, after we've tumbled Stephanie off, we're up to bag number 2. We're going to be continuing, obviously, on the length of this boat, adding more green to its length, and adding to the little living quarters down here. Got a table, pink cup, which they're all going to have to share. That's going to be manky. Hopefully there's a sink and they can wash it up in between uses. This is a microwave. That's such a cute little, I like the little purple microwave. I never thought now I want a purple microwave. That just looks really, really cute. This goes on the other end. Not seeing any more cups. I'm offended by the fact they're all going to be sharing jams. Make believe, Ellie. Please stop putting realism into this. Actually, this is very realistic. So we've got a rudder here. It just sits just shy of the bottom, which is really, really great. And building up the side, making sure these are facing the way they're supposed to be in the instructions. And then the next level is going to be sitting up there. This is looking very, very good. This is the other side. Look at that. We're getting to the next level. And creating the shape. So now to create the shape, like the outy flowy bit of the boat, which is definitely, obviously, its technical term. We've got all of these really, really nice molded pieces. So white looks so sleek, and then a turquoise stripe on there. This is exciting. And same thing on the other side. This is a really very elegant, not blocky looking sailboat. How many sailboats has Lego actually made? I don't think any of them are as beautiful as this one. This is a chart with knots on it, so you can do some knot practice while you're sitting down here all sharing your cup of tea. And now we're building out, making the shape on this side. So all these white bits, and they just cover over the turquoise on the front, and then we extend that stripe here. This is so elegant. This is beautiful. All right, and we've got the next level happening. Still some more things to put down in that little galley area though. So we have a map, which looks like, so that's going to be their route, right? That's where they're supposed to be going. And got little sticky notes of things maybe that happened at those places. It ends at Sydney. Definitely ends at Sydney. Or maybe it starts at Sydney. And a ladder up to the next level. And some binoculars on a little dot so they stick attached onto the wall. This is very tidy. There's a lot stuck in down there in the little galley area. I mean, I call it the galley. It's not just the galley, is it? It's the living and relaxing area too. Couple of random pots which we might want to be using as cups, really. I'm obsessing over these cups. And a walkie-talkie. Ah, nice. Only one walkie-talkie. Only one walkie-talkie. Who are they keeping in contact with? Hello, is there anybody out there? Over. Radio silence. Okay, I don't know why we have got... I'm a bit sad that that bit there, that raised bit there, doesn't have extra tiling on it, but could extend that to a bed. Okay, all right. Bag number 3. Now's when we get our other mini dolls, technically. So we'll give them their safety vests. Very nice. And... okay, this is where we get the iPad. So it looks like Captain Maxine is FaceTiming Emma, which makes no sense to me. Maybe she's doing it so that Stephanie stays focused on task, because they've got a race to win. But you would also think that Captain Maxine should be staying focused on task too. But anyway, she's been given the iPad so she can have a nice chat with Emma. Okay, now working on the next level. I mean, what else do you have in a sailboat? A sail? I know so little about sailboats. Very, very elegant modern molding. This is a sailboat where, you know, the budget was good budget for this. It's beautiful. It's such a thing of beauty. This is, yeah, we got our red and green on either side, which I know for stop and go. And here's, yeah, okay, so our little control area is down here under this very, very easily detachable but nice smoky black glass panel. And on the front, this is just to make the guide rail. Wow, that's so simple. That is really cool. That's very like modern and sleek. It's a beautiful looking sailboat. These bits on the side, I want to say they're ballast, but I don't actually know, but I just love the fact that they're vibrant colors. It looks fantastic. Now we get to the part I understand about a sailboat. The sail! The bit that catches the wind. I still actually don't know much about sails. So this bit with the teeny yellow rotor that goes at the top, and where does this go in? Oh, okay, so this is in the middle here. Obviously, where else would you put a sail for a sailboat? My ballast keeps falling off. That's what it's designed to do though, isn't it? You're supposed to... I don't know. Nope, don't know. Not going to pretend I know. This part is... I do know what that bit is, but we'll talk about it in a minute when I put it in. This bit, also know what it is. It's the steering wheel. So that's how they're gonna steer. That moves the little bit down the bottom. The bit at the back that I remembered the name for before, but now I've forgotten. So this goes in here. I've put that in the wrong angle. Let's just turn that around. And that other bit is the boom, like the movable boom. I learnt that from movies because you have to get out of the way of the boom because it moves from side to side depending upon where the wind's going. All right, so there's actually a spot on the front here to mount the drone when it's not up in the air. I'm just going to chuck the iPad down here into the living quarters. And now I need to turn that around because I put it on the wrong side. Now we get to put the sails on. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this color scheme so much. So these go in here. See, that attaches to the boom. There, and it moves around. See, I know some stuff. And this is the big sail. That's definitely its technical name. It's the biggie, the big sail. Attach it down here, pop it up here, and there we go. That looks incredible. Oh my gosh. Look, see, I can move that around because I understand how it works. Heads down, look out, the boom will knock you off. I must have watched too many pirate movies. Oh, let's send the drone up. Oh, I thought I could attach up here. Why? I could put it here where the little spinny thing is. I'm just so disappointed a seagull wasn't included in this. I mean, there is actual footage of seagulls on that drone recording. Come on, Lego, give us a seagull. Just one. Oh my goodness. All right, anyway, I really hope you enjoyed building this with me. The Nope, our brand new sailing adventure boat. It's beautiful, it's elegant, it's modern, it's classy, it's not blocky, it doesn't even look like Lego anymore. Where is Lego going to go into the future? The models they are making now are just incredible. Anyway, all right, you got to stop me from rambling. I should go. Okay, subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this model, and yeah, check back in. So many more good things to come up soon. So I'll see you then. Bye.